guys, and welcome back to YGreyParrot e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today, we will be attending an human heart quiz. So, before taking this video, please go and check out my human heart anatomy. Believe me, it's an amazing video. And if you see that video, you can answer this question quickly. So, I'll give you 10 seconds time to think for the answer and use the 10 seconds wisely. Our first question is, what is heart used for? Well, I will give you 10 seconds time to get ready with your answers. And the answer is pumping blood. On to the next question. What are the four chambers? I hope you know that. Well, again, I'll give you 10 seconds time to think and I will give you the answer. And the answer is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. So, that's the answer. Now let's take another question. What is the largest vein in heart? Do you know it? And the answer is vena cava. Now let's get on to the next question. What is the wall named between right atrium and right ventricle? Again, I'll give you 10 seconds time. And it is tricuspid. On to the next question. What are the semi-lunar walls? Again, I'll give you 10 seconds time. And it is pulmonic wall and aortic wall. On to the next question. What is the medical equipment used to listen heart sounds? Again, I'll give you 10 seconds time. And the answer is stethoscope. On to the next question. What is the another name for bicuspid? Again, I will give you 10 seconds time. I know you can do it. And then I will give you the answer. And the right answer is mitral valve. How does deoxygenated blood goes from heart to lungs? Guess it, and I will give you 10 seconds time to think. The answer is pulmonary artery. This question is a little opposite for what I just gave you. How does oxygenated blood goes from lungs to heart? And again, I'll give you 10 seconds time. And the answer is pulmonary veins. What is the name for the doctor who cares for our heart? I'll give you another 10 seconds to think for your answer. And the answer is cardiologist. If you want to take some more quizzes, then jump on to my channel to watch some more quizzes. So, if you like this video, then like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Happy learning! Bye!